I'm currently in China to set up manufacturing for my mini grow box. So in here I'm on my way to the first factory. It's raining today. They take Didi in China, so here I am in one and I'm on my way. Let's see where I have to go. They prepared this for me, very nice of them. And we went then into the storage facility where they had some of my parts already. We just need to pack these all into individual boxes. It's a bit difficult. Anyway, we played ping pong after that. And after we took a photo together, I went on my way to go to another factory. 你好. This one was about 10 kilometers away, so I had some driving. And then I arrived at that factory. It's somewhere in here. And inside, he showed me their products. It's a complete grow tent kit they sell. And here they're making grow tents and fans and LED lights. It's a pretty interesting place. And here's where they test the LED grow lights. That was interesting, and now it's time to go back to my hotel. Today I only have one more thing to do. Yeah, so for man washing machine, for ladies washing machine. So I'm gonna choose this one. There's a sock in here. It's not mine. Anyways. So, okay. Yeah. Not sure.